How to start a WordPress blog with Hostgator. Hostgator blog tutorial. Hey guys, Brian with Cupid blog, and today I'm going to be showing you how to start a WordPress blog with Hostgator step by step in this Hostgator blog tutorial video. I'll be providing you with a 60% off hosting promo code shortly. Make sure you subscribe to our channel as we are always posting new WordPress tutorial videos. In this video, I'm going to be going over 4 different steps to start your WordPress blog with Hostgator. Step 1 is how to sign up for an account with Hostgator. Step 2 is choosing a hosting package. Step 3 is registering a domain name. And then step 4 is how to install and set up WordPress on Hostgator so you can start making a WordPress blog with Hostgator. The awesome folks over at Hostgator have provided me with an exclusive Hostgator coupon consisting of 60% off Hostgator web hosting. I provide the link to Hostgator in the description along with the Hostgator coupon code for the 60% off offer. The 60% off hosting coupon is Cupid 60. A little disclosure, the link is an affiliate link. I'll receive a commission which helps support this channel and helps us put out WordPress tutorial videos on a regular basis. Some awesome features you will get with Hostgator's hosting is a one-click WordPress install, 24/7 support from Hostgator. They also have award-winning support. They offer a 45-day money-back guarantee. You'll also receive over $200 in advertising offers from Google and Bing. Hostgator is one of the top web hosting providers, and Hostgator powers over 8 million domains worldwide. Feel free to click the Hostgator link in the description to walk through the steps with me to set up WordPress on Hostgator. Once you click the link, you will see Hostgator's web hosting page like you see here. Keep in mind, Hostgator does change their landing page quite often, so if it looks different, don't worry. The remaining steps after this stay the same. You'll see a Get Started button. Click the button. You'll see 3 different plans you can choose from: the hatchling plan, the baby plan, and the business plan. The plan I recommend going with is the hatchling plan. You can have one domain name with this plan. You can always scale up to one of the other 2 plans if you need to. If you need more than one website, you will want to go with the baby plan as this includes unlimited domains. Go ahead and select the hosting plan you want by clicking the Sign Up Now button. You will now be on a page where you want to choose your domain name. Type in the domain you would like to use along with the domain extension, for example .com, .net, .org, etc. I recommend going with a .com if you can, as this is the most common domain extension. If you already have a domain name, just click on the I already own this domain and put in your domain name. Once you do that, we want to choose our hosting plan. Just make sure the package type is the correct plan you want. Next, you want to choose the billing cycle. You can choose to pay monthly, every 3 months, 6 months, 12 months, 24 months, and 36 months. You will see you will save the most money the farther out you purchase your Hostgator hosting for. I'm going to show you how to get hosting even cheaper than what is listed in just a second. Next, you want to enter your username. Pick anything you would like. Just enter your 4-digit PIN. Make sure to remember this, as this is used when you need to talk to Hostgator support. Next, you want to enter your billing information. Over on the right hand side, you will see where you can put in your card information, or you can pay via a PayPal account. After you input this information, go to the next section where you can add additional services if you would like to. You will see protect your site from hackers. I will say there are plenty of free security alternatives for WordPress, so it isn't necessary. You will see get a professional email address from Google. I don't select this as you can get free email accounts with the Hostgator hosting. Select this only if you'd prefer to do it via Google. Next, you will see backup your hard work. This will create a backup of your site. I don't select this as there are free alternatives that work just as well. Next, you will see HTTPS SSL certificates. In order to get this, you have to have the baby hosting plan or above. An SSL certificate protects sensitive customer information. The next section is where you can add a coupon code. If you want to receive Hostgator hosting for up to 60% off, use promo code Cupid60. Now just scroll down and accept the terms and conditions and click the Checkout Now button. You will now be directed to a thank you page. Hostgator will now email you your Hostgator receipt and your Hostgator cPanel login credentials. Once you get the email, just click the link and log into the Hostgator cPanel. Once you are logged in, we want to install WordPress. You will see one-click installs. Click this and we want to choose WordPress. Next, you want to choose your domain name. you can pick it from the drop down. Leave the box next to it where it says directory blank. Now just click next. Now it will say blog title. You want to put in the name of your site here. Enter the admin username, password, and other information to use for when logging into WordPress. Next, check the automatically create a new database and check that you agree to the terms and conditions. Once you do that, click the install now button. You will now be redirected to a installation complete page that lists out your WordPress login credentials. Now you want to enter your domain name at the top of the search engine and put a /wp-admin, just like you see here. This will take you to the WordPress login page for your site. You'll receive an email with a link from Hostgator with a login URL as well. Once you log in, you will be in the WordPress dashboard where you can begin creating your site. Towards the top, you will see your site title, and if you hover over it, you will see View Site. Click either one and you will see the WordPress default theme currently being used. Now you just need to customize the site and make it look however you would like. Let's get to know WordPress a bit. On the far left, you will see tabs. Hover over them and get to learn them. Post is where you can add new posts. Pages is where you can add new pages. The media tab is where your images will show that you upload to your blog. Comments is where you can add and view comments people leave on your blog. Appearance is where you can change the look of your theme or change your theme to another one or a premium theme. Select themes. When you hover over appearance, it will showcase free WordPress themes that you can choose from. If you select most popular, it will show you the most popular free WordPress themes. Hover over a theme and click activate to make the theme your WordPress theme. You should also see add new theme on this page. This is where you can add a new theme if you got it from another site or it is a premium theme. The plugins tab in the left menu, click add new. This is where you can add new plugins for your site. Pretty much any feature or customization you would want, more than likely there is a plugin to do that. One of the best plugins that can make starting your WordPress blog on Hostgator easier is the plugin called Elementor. Elementor Page Builder is a drag and drop editor for WordPress. Elementor is the #1 WordPress page builder today, and over 500,000 users use it all around the world. This plugin can save you a ton of time and lots of headaches figuring out how to make specific customizations. This plugin has a free version and a paid version. If you want to activate this plugin, click Elementor Page Builder in the search bar. You'll see the plugin. Click the Install Now button and click Activate to activate the plugin. I provide a link in the description so that you can check out their site and the free and premium features. A great place to get premium WordPress themes is ThemeForest. I include the link in the description below. You can get already professional made WordPress themes if you don't want to bother with designing your site, etc. Another great site if you need help with designing your customizations in WordPress is Fiverr. With Fiverr, you can get tasks done for just $5. Fiverr is a great place to get a logo made if you have trouble doing so yourself. You have successfully set up WordPress on Hostgator. You can now start making your WordPress blog with Hostgator. Alright guys, thanks for watching. That is my Hostgator blog tutorial on how to start a blog with Hostgator. Give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more WordPress tutorial videos.